Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll tell you everything there is to know about the Indiana University of Technology. So let's get straight into the video. But before that guys, if you are someone who needs to study abroad, you can check the appointment link given below. Book yourself an appointment over there and get all of your study abroad doubts cleared. Now talking about the university was established in the year 1930 and has 5 total campuses. This university is located in Fort Wayne and is accredited by the Higher Learning Commission as well. Now talking about the top bachelor's and master's program, since the university has technology in its name, it focuses more on the engineering side of things. You can have different kinds of engineering programs along with computer science and IT as well. Also, there are MBA programs available as well. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria. So you'll have to give entrance exams like IELTS and TOEFL being an Indian student. So let's talk about the scores now. In IELTS, if you have a band of 6, it's a great score, while in PTE, a 50 is a good score to have, and in TOEFL, a score of around 70 to 75 is a great one to have. So talking about the bachelor's eligibility, you'll have to show your 12th standard transcripts, along with which you'll also have to give ACT or SAT depending on the kind of program you appear, and IELTS and TOEFL remain constant over here. Now for the master's programs, some programs might ask you to give the GMAT or the GRE. Alongside, you also have to have a 3 to 4 years of your bachelor's degree. Talking about the application fee and the tuition fee now. So the application fee over here, depending on the kind of program you appear for, can be between 50 to 60 US dollars. But if you apply through us, this will be waived off for you. Now talking about the tuition fee, the average tuition fee over here can range between 20 to 35,000 US dollars based on the kind of program you appear yourself for. Now let's talk about the different scholarships that can help you to fund your tuition fee. There are different kinds of scholarships that you can get in order to fund your tuition fee, of course, depending on the kind of profile you have and the background you come from. You can get a scholarship of 1,000 US dollars up to even 25,000 US dollars if you are good enough. Now let's talk about the average salaries over here. So an average Indiana University graduate earns around 75,000 US dollars per year. One fun fact about this university is that Microsoft Corporation is the biggest employer in this university. A lot of students get placed in Microsoft. So if you are someone who has his dream job in Microsoft, do consider this university. So let's talk about the accommodations now. There are different kinds of accommodations you can go for, which are both on campus and off campus. On campus accommodations might be comparatively cheaper as compared to off campus, but you can choose anything based on your preference. You can get a single bed, double bed, a deluxe apartment, or even an en-suite apartment for yourself. The average fee for this can range between 5,000 US dollars to even 25,000 US dollars. So guys, this is it for the video. If you have any other doubts, feel free to let us know in the comment section given below. Also, if you're liking the content guys, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to not miss out on such content. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. We'll see you in the next one.